Emotional Insight presents How to Change Bad Habits. We've all been there, stuck in patterns that don't serve us. But here's the good news. With the right understanding and tools, we can transform these habits. So let's embark on this journey of self-improvement together. Remember, it's not just about breaking bad habits. It's about building a life filled with happiness and emotional insight. Before we start, a quick favor. Feel free to give your opinion on this video. Tell me what you want to see and what can be done better. Thank you. Understanding bad habits. At its core, a habit is a repeated behavior that becomes automatic. The human brain, always seeking efficiency, turns frequent actions into habits. So, when we talk about bad habits, we're referring to those repetitive behaviors that negatively impact our mental health, physical health, or overall well-being. This could range from smoking, which is an addiction, to procrastinating, which stems from a mix of emotions and psychology facts. Did you know that often, our bad habits are just misguided attempts at dealing with stress and emotional discomfort? The role of emotions. But why do we develop these habits? Often, bad habits are a response to stress or negative feelings. For instance, someone might turn to junk food for comfort, or to excessive online shopping for a dopamine rush. It's crucial to understand the emotional insight behind our habits. By doing so, we can address the root cause and not just the behavior itself. Understanding this emotional connection can also increase our empathy towards others, struggling with similar issues, fostering an environment of kindness and support. This is where support groups come in hand, but we will speak about that a little bit later. Change and the brain. Change is challenging, especially when it comes to habits ingrained in our brains. But here's an encouraging psychological fact. The human brain is adaptable. Neuroplasticity allows us to form new habits and ditch old ones. This means with motivation and the right strategies, we can rewire our brains for better habits that align with our personal growth goals. Remember, every small change in our routine is a big step for our mental health. What is important to remember is that this change takes time. Strategy 1. Replacement. This involves substituting a bad habit with a healthier one. Say you're prone to reaching for sugary snacks when stressed. Try replacing this with a healthier alternative, like fruits or nuts. The key is to make the new habit satisfying and similar to the old one, so it sticks. This not only helps in breaking the old pattern, but also boosts your overall well-being. Strategy 2. Understanding triggers. Every habit has a cue. Maybe it's a time of day, a feeling, or an environment that kickstarts a bad habit. By identifying these triggers, you can anticipate and prepare for them. If stress triggers your bad habit, try implementing stress-reducing techniques like meditation or exercise. Also, being mindful of these triggers can help you avoid situations that may lead to unwanted habits. Strategy 3. Manageable changes. Big goals can be overwhelming. Break down your habit-changing goal into smaller, manageable steps. Instead of vowing to stop a bad habit cold turkey, reduce it gradually. This approach builds confidence and makes the change more sustainable. Every small success is a building block in your journey towards self-improvement. This is the one people often get wrong. They decide they want to change something immediately in a huge way, which comes as a shock to body and brain. There's nothing bad about making a big change, just be careful so it doesn't overwhelm you. Strategy 4. Accountability and support. Share your goals with friends or join a support group. Surrounding yourself with people who understand your journey can provide motivation and encouragement. Remember, kindness towards yourself and others goes a long way in this process. A support system can be your anchor, keeping you grounded and focused. Sometimes you will feel like you are better off alone, but reaching out to somebody is a sign of strength, not a weakness. Strategy 5. Reward system. Rewards trigger the release of hormones like dopamine, which reinforce positive behavior. Celebrate your small victories. They are big steps in your journey of self-improvement. Each reward should be a reminder of your progress and a motivation to continue on your path. This strategy makes a lot of difference throughout the journey of change towards better lifestyle. To sum up, changing bad habits is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It's about understanding our emotions, recognizing our triggers, and using strategies that align with our psychology and personality. Remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier, happier you. You have the power to change, to improve, and to grow. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on mental health and personal growth. Together, we can make every day a step towards a better, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.